According to a new update issued by the World Meteorological Organization, global temperatures are likely to surge to record levels in the next 5 years, fueled by heat-trapping greenhouse gases and a naturally occurring El Niño event. There is a 66% likelihood that the annual average near-surface global temperature between 2023 and 2027 will be more than 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels for at least 1 year. There is a 98% likelihood that at least one of the next 5 years, and the 5-year period as a whole, will be the warmest on record. WMO Secretary-General Professor Terry Emanuel.
It's practically sure that we will see the warmest year on record during the coming 5 years. It's a conclusion that we haven't been able to limit the warming so far, and we are still moving in the wrong direction.
He also stated that this report does not mean that we will permanently exceed the 1.5 degrees Celsius level specified in the Paris Agreement, which refers to long-term warming over many years. However, WMO is sounding the alarm that we will breach the 1.5 level on a temporary basis with increasing frequency. This will have far-reaching repercussions for health, food security, water management, and the environment. A warming El Niño is expected to develop in the coming months, and this will combine with human-induced climate change to push global temperatures into uncharted territory. What's that you say? Evidence. There's this that might hold sway. Anthropogenic impacts on 20th century ENSO variability changes. Research paper was published in Nature Reviews Earth and Environment on the 18th of May 2023. The paper discusses the impact of anthropogenic warming on El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, and sea surface temperature, or SST, variability. The paper suggests that greenhouse warming has influenced post-1960 ENSO and SST variability. A comparison of simulated variabilities between 1901 to 1960 and 1961-2020 indicates that more than 3/4 of climate models produce an amplitude increase in post-1960 ENSO and SST variability, translating into more frequent strong El Niño and La Niña events. Whatever that means, but you can look it up and pore over the document yourself, links in the description below. Doesn't sound good though. And finally, Axios has an article, Tropical Cyclone Mocha's Intensification Fits Climate-Driven Pattern, which discusses how Tropical Cyclone Mocha, which struck Myanmar and Bangladesh as a high-end category 4 storm last Sunday, is a catastrophic example of a rapidly strengthening storm that leaps multiple intensity categories. The article explains that rapid intensification, along with higher rainfall rates, are key ways that climate change is influencing nature's strongest storms. Studies show such storms are becoming increasingly common and the magnitude of the rapid intensification is rising. For a deeper dive, there's Kerry Emanuel's paper, Tropical Cyclone Risk in Bangladesh, which takes a look at the current and future risk of tropical cyclones in Bangladesh. The paper uses computer simulations to estimate how strong winds and heavy rain from tropical cyclones may change over time if we don't reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Link also in the description below. That does it for this week. See you next time. Take care. Cheers.